Have you ever had a chest pain after eating and wondered, is it just acidity or could it be a heart attack? Many people ignore chest pain because they think it's only gas or indigestion. Unfortunately, this can be mistaken and can be dangerous. A heart attack is a medical emergency and every minute matters. So, in today's video, we'll learn the difference between acidity and a heart attack, the warning signs you should never ignore, and when you should seek immediate medical help. So, let's get started. Let us understand what is acidity. Acidity happens when stomach acid moves back into the food pipe. This is also called as acid reflux. Common causes of acidity may include eating too much food, spicy or oily meals, lying down after eating, smoking, drinking alcohol, obesity, etc. Acidity is very common and usually it is not life threatening. What are the symptoms of acidity? Some common symptoms of acidity may include a burning feeling in the chest, especially after meals, sour or bitter taste in the mouth, burping or belching, bloating, feeling of food coming back into the throat, pain that becomes worse when lying down or bending forward. Many people feel better after taking an antacid. Very important. Not everyone has severe chest pain. This is something many people don't know. Some heart attacks are silent. Older adults, women, and people with diabetes may not have severe chest pain. Instead, they may only feel unusual tiredness, shortness of breath, nausea, sweating, mild chest discomfort, pain in the jaw, back, or shoulder. These symptoms should never be ignored. Now, let us understand the key difference between acidity and a heart attack. Let's compare them. First, let's start with acidity. In acidity, you get burning sensation, often starts after eating. It may improve with antacid. It worsens when lying down. Sour taste or burping is common. Now, let us understand for heart attack. In heart attack, there is pressure, heaviness, or squeezing pain. Can happen during rest or physical activities. Pain may spread to the arm, jaw, neck, or back. It is often associated with sweating and shortness of breath. It does not usually improve with antacids. Remember, these are the general differences. Sometimes even doctors need tests to tell the difference. Now, let us understand for heart attack that who all are at a higher risk. Your risk is higher if you have high blood pressure, diabetes, high cholesterol, smoking habit, obesity, family history of heart disease, lack of physical activity, age above 45 years in men and above 55 years in women. Though heart attacks can occur earlier too. Now, what should you do if you think it's a heart attack? If chest pain lasts more than a few minutes, come with sweating, causes shortness of breath, spreads to the arm or jaw, or make you feel faint, do not wait to see if it goes away. Call your local emergency medical service immediately or go to the nearest hospital. Do not drive yourself if possible. Doctors can perform an ECG and blood test to find out whether it's a heart attack or not. Getting treatment early can save heart muscle and save your life. So, please remember, chest pain should never be taken lightly. It may be simple acidity or could be a heart attack. The only way to know for sure is through proper medical evaluation. If you ever have a chest pain that worries you, especially if it is severe, persistent, or accompanied by sweating, breathlessness, nausea, or pain spreading to the arm, jaw, seek emergency medical care immediately. It is always better to be safe than sorry. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe among your friends. Stay safe.